Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest teleprompters to use when you need to use a teleprompter to record a video from your computer. This is actually done using the Dubb desktop app. So there's another article that covers this full desktop app tutorial, but in this one, we're going to cover specifically how to use the teleprompter. So once you've installed the desktop app, that's the first step. We're now ready to use the teleprompter. So the first thing we're going to do is open the desktop app. Now, whether you're recording your screen or your webcam won't make a difference, but you will need to make sure that the teleprompter button is turned on. There, you're going to see the teleprompter, and this is going to exist on top of anything that's on your screen. So if you need to record a PowerPoint, a PDF, a web page, this teleprompter will exist over the top of it. You can either create a new script using AI or voice to text or just typing, copying, and pasting it in. And once you have selected it from a script, you're able to pick that script. You can select the size by adjusting the size here. You can adjust the speed of the teleprompter to meet your needs. And you can also adjust the height and the width. However, I don't recommend making it too wide or too long because then your eye line is going to be off. It's going to look like you're reading. So you do want to make sure this is just nestled up as close to the camera as you can get it. And it's nice and high and you're only reading from those top two lines closest to the camera. So this is how you will adjust and use the desktop teleprompter app. Now, these settings are sticky. So whatever you adjust it to in terms of speed and size and shape, it's going to remember this for future recordings. So this is one of the easiest ways to use a teleprompter on your computer.